So put up or start paying up. Is this how to get deals done as tariff threats get world leaders to the table? Let's get the read from a guy who knows a lot about making deals. Kevin O'Leary, chairman of O'Leary Ventures and Shark Tank investor. Kevin, great to see you. I feel like I see you all the time because you're on my house morning and night. My 9 and 11-year-old totally obsessed. They love to watch you make a deal. So is this proof that this is how you get deals done, Kevin?
Yeah, it's an important development, but you know, these China, Mexico, and Canada are completely different in this respect. We know with certainty we're going into NAFTA 3 negotiations, and Trump is smart about this. He's obviously engaged both leaders in both countries. There are different problems in each place. Canada is a huge trading partner, particularly in energy. A huge percentage of energy imported in the U.S. that gives it energy independence comes from Canada, particularly from Alberta, Saskatchewan, and British Columbia. So that's part of the negotiation of NAFTA 3. I think he's positioning. Now, the complexity in the Canadian situation is this. Justin Trudeau is wildly unpopular in Canada. He's been there a long time in the parliamentary system, just like Britain. If you have a prime minister that can't deliver a majority mandate, it's like a piece of old moldy cheese in the fridge. You want to get rid of it. And that's what's going on within his own party. He's surviving these votes. And in fact, there's another one today at 4 o'clock that he'll probably survive. This is a non-confidence vote. That's how they do it in the parliamentary system, to throw the bum out, so to speak. But he won't lose that till around February 15th. So my point is, it won't be Trudeau negotiating with Trump when he's finally in power after January 20th. It's going to be someone else. And I think Trump is smart enough to. So this is a lot of showboating right now, but it's just showing you how powerful he is. Just to put it out, this is policy by social media, and he's got leaders flying to Mar-a-Lago. He doesn't have to go anywhere. He doesn't have to go to the cold weather. He just stays in Florida. Interesting.
Well, we know he's not shy about getting on a plane to go get something done, but will he need to is a big question, of course. This is Canada, Kevin. We're already seeing he's bolstering their border security after these Trump talks. This is according to Canadian officials, so perhaps the preparations are already underway.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Canada should do that for both directions. They should have a secure border. Every country should have that, and I'm sure Trudeau can guarantee him he'll do something. But what's going on, there's a bit of a war in Canada. For example, Alberta wants to be part of this reigniting the Keystone pipeline, and of course Trump needs Alberta to do that. That's where the oil originates from. So already that premier is talking about boots on the ground in the Alberta North Dakota border. All of that stuff is happening simultaneously. There's so many moving parts. I absolutely love it. But at the end of the day, when you've got two partners with so much commerce, so much invested in economics with each other, they're going to work it out. They're going to figure it out. But it may be different players than what you saw over the weekend in Mar-a-Lago. That's all I'm saying.
How about the stock market? Because, I mean, we've seen incredible resilience, right? And there were warnings from those who were against these tariffs that this is going to lead to a drop in employment in this country, right? And we're a hit for the consumers. There was threats that this is going to lead to a sell-off in the stock. I mean, it just seems like these markets keep going up and up and up. I mean, yet record highs yet again, Kevin.
Yes, because two things have been settled. Number one, there's not going to be a massive change to tax policy at the corporate level. Remember, the two ideologies going in the election, one was at 28%, which is never been done before, to go from 21 to 28 in the swoop of a pen. That would have been disastrous for S&P earnings. That's off the table. Now we're talking about extending the Trump tax credits, so you've got stability there. But the one that hasn't gotten enough credit yet is everybody in small and large companies today understand that the regulatory environment is going to be ripped away. And that gives you so much more confidence. You feel it in the small businesses that I work with and the large ones, feeling, we'll go ahead and we'll open that plant. We'll go ahead and we'll do CapEx expenditures. We'll hire that person because we know the regulatory environment is going to be better for us.
Such a great point. And obviously lower taxes, part of the discussion, and rolling back those regulations. Business-friendly environment, it always works. Kevin, great to see you. Thank you so much for coming on.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.